Hi, I'm going to show you how to make chicken with barbecue sauce. First of all, we're going to marinate. You know, so when marination has two purposes: to tenderize our meat and to add flavor onto the meat. There's no limit as to what your marinade can contain. If you want a sweet taste, put honey. If you want the sour taste of vinegar and lemon, add that. And basically any spice you can find, it's your choice anyway. But today, I'm going to show you how I do mine. Okay, I have my chicken. I'm going to add lemon. I'll squeeze out some juice from ginger and garlic. I'm going to put half a tablespoon of paprika. Half a teaspoon of chili, some salt, half a teaspoon. I'm putting a small amount because soy sauce has some salt in it. Okay, we'll put 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Then I'll put 1 tablespoon of oil. We'll cover this with cling pepper and leave it to marinate for a while. I'll do mine for 8 hours. You can also let it refrigerate overnight. There are many ways to prepare chicken in barbecue sauce. I'm going to show you 3 different ways. Number 1, after marinating your chicken, you're going to put it in the oven and bake with barbecue sauce at intervals of 10 minutes until it's done. Or way number 2, deep fry the marinated chicken. After frying, we're now going to add our barbecue sauce. Mix well. You can add any amount of barbecue sauce you want to add. We're going to take freshly cut chicken and shallow fry while adding soy sauce and barbecue sauce. Add onion and let them cook till tender. Then add chicken. Add a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of chili, half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of salt, Then add some water. of soy sauce. And 3 tablespoons of barbecue sauce.